friends, and welcome to my channel Knitting Kitty. A very important detail of the amigurumi we create are the eyes. They complete the whole look of our toy. Nowadays there are a lot of options for the eyes. The most popular are the safety eyes. We can use simply black safety eyes, color safety eyes, or these very funny cartoon safety eyes. Another option for the eyes is just to embroider them. I think it's safer and I prefer to embroider the eyes, especially when it comes to create an amigurumi toy that will be a gift for a baby or a small child. And there is also another third option I also really like to use for my toys, and that is the felt. I can cut the desired size and to choose the favorite color that best suits my amigurumi face. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create beautiful felt eyes. First, we have to cut the felt. To cut the felt, I'm using one of the following tools: leather cutting shapes. When I started crocheting amigurumi few years ago, it isn't so easy to find and buy safety eyes. So I mainly was using felt in different color, and thanks to this set I've created lots and lots of eyes. It's really easy to use, and I remember that I bought the set from AliExpress. And the other tools that I'm using are these technical drawing templates. I use them when I need bigger eyes and I can't use the cutting shapes. So I bought one template for circles and one template for ovals, so I can choose the right shape for my amigurumi. You can buy these templates from every shop that offers school supplies. To draw the desired form, I recommend using a fabric marker. And now I'll show you how you can make even more beautiful your felt eyes. All you need is a thread in different color and sewing needle. First, cut 2 felt circles in white and 2 smaller circles in black. We will work with the black circles, and for the tutorial I'm going to use blue and white thread. Start with the blue thread. Take the black circle and using a small sewing needle, start making stitches all around the circle, leaving the center empty. It's really important. It should remain black. Also, there is no need to make the stitches even. You can make smaller or bigger stitches. When you are finished and you have made stitches all around the black circle, make a knot and cut the thread. Now take the white color thread and repeat the same steps. Do not try to cover all the blue stitches. Both blue and white stitches should be visible. When you're finished, make a note. If you want, you can leave a long tail so you can sew the eyes on your amigurumi. And here are some other examples of felt eyes that I've made in different color. I really hope that you've enjoyed my tutorial. See you soon!